So dare means to challenge someone, but dare not means to give a warning to someone. Okay. So please write down give warning. Give warning. You dare not miss the class. Okay. You dare not talk in the class. This is the warning. कि हिम्मत मत करना. Okay. This is the meaning of dare not. So write down, there is one more use. So first of all, write down the sentence of give warning. And please let me know 2-3 sentences.
You dare not touch my bag.
Exactly. You dare not touch my bag. You are giving warning to someone. You dare not touch my bag. Dare not plus.
You dare not touch my mobile phone.
Exactly. You dare not touch my bag or mobile phone, anything. So,
मैम इसके बस two meanings ही हैं.
yes, beta, only 2.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Can we write you dare not to play outside?
Yes, beta, correct. So next one is when you don't have courage to do anything. So don't have courage, आप में हिम्मत नहीं कुछ करने की, then again you would use dare not. Don't have courage. Don't have courage to do something. So again make the sentence.
I dare not go in that house.
Okay, I dare not go in that house as I know that is a haunted house. Okay. So I dare not talk to my mother when she's angry.
I dare not want to ride roller coaster.
I dare not sit in the roller coaster. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I dare not to go in dark.
I dare not.
I dare not want to go in dark.
Okay. I dare not go, beta. No need to write want to. सीधा go लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. So I dare not talk to my mother when she is angry.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I dare to go into the basement.
बच्चे repeat it. आपकी आवाज कट रही थी. I dare not.
Ma'am, I dare not to go in.
Okay, I dare not go something. Okay, correct. I dare not talk to my mother when she is angry. So when our parents are angry, we dare not talk to them. So this was the model dare not. Please write down the uses and sentences. Then we'll move to the next type. Next, I think you know already. We did in class 6th, I think so. So we'll repeat it. So number 7.
Ma'am, I dare not to speak in front of my father.
Yes, beta, don't use the word to with dare not, directly first form of verb. I dare not speak to my father when I get less marks, whatever. So write down first form only. So the next one is need not. Need not.
Excuse me, मैम जो आपने डेयर का गिव वार्निंग के नीचे मैम वो क्या लिखा था सेकंड?
When you don't have courage. बेटा कौन सा पूछ रहे हो आप? First use the warning to give warning. Second key, don't have courage. आप में हिम्मत नहीं होती, ठीक है? So need not. Only one use, that is not necessary. Not necessary means जरूरत नहीं है, okay? Not necessary or compulsory. Not necessary or compulsory. Now please make sentences using need not.
You need not to go out to your.
Need not plus first form only. Don't use to.
You need not go outside in this pandemic.
That is, I think, Gaurish, must not. You must not.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Go outside.
you need not wear uniform in online classes.
Okay, fine. It's not compulsory or it is not necessary. Fine. Okay.
Ma'am, you need not to buy this book as I have one.
Okay.
Ma'am.
नहीं आएगा otherwise
Ma'am,
not correct. Whosoever has
you
spoken it.
need not.
It's need
Okay.
not
1
to.
minute please. You need not to नहीं आएगा, only first form of verb. Okay. You need not buy this dress. I have same kind of dress. I'll give you. Okay, fine. So one by one, please. Now speak one by one. Just wait. Vaibhav. Yes, Vaibhav, then Ipsa.
Ma'am, you need not my permission to hear.
You need not my permission. Beta, you don't need my permission. That is the correct way. So make anything else. You need not first form. Need not के साथ verb आना चाहिए. As you know that model is a helping verb. One main verb should be there. First form.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I
You
speak?
need not to go to your friend's house in exams.
Okay, Harmeet. Need not के साथ बच्चे to नहीं आएगा. First form directly. Otherwise correct.
You need not do your homework today as it's your competition.
Okay, correct, correct. So you need not take off your shoes.
You need not submit your copy today. You can submit it tomorrow also.
Okay, fine, correct. So that is your choice. Second, you can write of your choice something that is not necessary. ठीक है? किसी की जरूरत ना हो. Must remember, dare not is like a helping verb and need not is also a helping verb. First form should be there after this. Plus V1 only. Don't use to. इसके साथ to नहीं use करना. Okay? Dare not, need not, first form only. You need not take off your shoes. You need not submit your notebook today. You can submit next week. Okay, like that. So make 2 sentences. And the last type is used to. I hope you know the meaning of used to. We have done this so many times. Please tell me what is the use of used to.
Ma'am,
past
used to
action.
means
Ma'am, past action.
Past habit. Okay, past habit. So something that you used to do daily, every week, every month, every year. तो आपको habit थी, okay? That is past habit. Now make some sentences, please.
I used to sleep with my grandmother when I was a child.
Exactly. I used to sleep with my grandfather when I was.
I used to go to work every day.
I used to.
My grandfather used to climb tree when he was young.
Used to plus first form, okay? Veronica, repeat it.
ma'am,
Veronica.
I used to go to temple every day.
Okay, when I was,
I
okay, when I was 5 years old, okay. So I used to go to temple when I was in India, when I was in, you can write anything past tense, okay? So I used to go to the temple when I was young. Why not now, by the way? So please make sentences जो थोड़े से सूट करें, okay? So I used to go to, just wait. I used to go to temple when I was young. I used to go to club when I was young. So you can write anything, okay? So one more example that I'm leaving to you. You can make anything. Second one. So this is the end of our explanation. We have done 8 groups. Now quickly speak up one by one. You can use your pair notebooks if you want. This is not a test, okay? So what was the first group? What was the first group, beta?
ma'am, can and could.
Ma'am, can and could.
Can and could. Okay. Second group,
Ma'am, may and might.
Ma'am, may and might.
may and might.
May and might.
Third one.
Ma'am, should.
Ma'am, should.
Okay. Number 4.
Ma'am, must and have.
Must and have to.
Must or have to. Both are correct. Okay. So next one, number 5.
Will
Will
and
and
would.
would.
Will and would.
Will and would. Okay. So 6th one is dare not. 7th
Need not.
Need not.
8th one is used to. Okay.
Used to.
Used to.
Now, before doing the exercise, you have to give some answers. Again, you can take the help of your fair notebook if you want. Now, please tell me any 2 models which are used for ability. Any 2
Ma'am,
models.
can and could.
Ma'am, can and
Ma'am,
could.
can and
Ma'am,
could.
can and could.
Can and could.
Name all models. Name all the models which are used for polite request. Polite.
Ma'am, would,
May.
would,
Ma'am, would.
May.
could, will, may,
Ma'am,
May,
would,
Okay.
may,
May,
could.
would. Okay. So to ask for
Ma'am.
permission. To ask for permission.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can,
Could and
could,
can.
ma'am, can,
may,
May.
may,
can, could, may.
Okay. Can, could, may, would. Okay. All are used for permission.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम आपने शुड का नहीं करवाया
Beta, we have done should already. Number 3. Third group is your should. Beta.
बट मैम मैं शायद नहीं किया मैं डन नहीं किया मैंने तो आप एक बार करवा दोगे
Beta, I think that will take our 10 minutes. So why don't you go to YouTube recordings and then you can watch Saturday or maybe Friday's video. Then you will be able to सिर्फ उतना ही part सुन लेना, okay? Otherwise,
Okay,
if I
ma'am.
would
Thank
write,
you.
it will take much time. Okay.
ओके मैम
So next one is for possibility. For possibility.
Ma'am,
May,
may
might.
and might.
may and might.
To give warning.
Ma'am, dare not.
Dare
Ma'am,
not.
dare
Ma'am,
not.
dare not.
Dare not.
Ma'am, dare not.
So next, compulsory action. Compulsory action.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
need not
must.
must or have to.
Must or have to.
ये need not किसने बोला अभी? Need not किसने बोला?
I think किसी girl ने बोला था.
मैम किसी गर्ल ने
Not
बोला है.
necessary और not compulsory. ठीक है? Compulsory के साथ भी not है. So need not is not used for compulsory. In fact, not compulsory. Which girl spoke it? Please let me know. Okay. So next one now, exercise. Okay, last one is left, obligation, moral duty.
Ma'am,
Should. Should.
Or ought to. Or ought to. To give advice, should only. Okay. So write down now, fill in the blank with more.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
मैम हमने मैसेज सेंड किया कि हमें कॉपी सेंड करनी है तो मैम हमने आज ही करनी है कॉपी सेंड
Repeat your question, beta. I couldn't hear you properly. Yes, please.
मैसेज किया कि अब हमने कॉपी सेंड करनी है तो मैम हमने आज करनी है कॉपी सेंड
You can send it today or tomorrow, day after tomorrow. एक दो दिन ले लो if you feel that कि आपका work complete नहीं है. You can send me side by side. Complete होगा भेज देना, ठीक है? तो fill in the
थैंक्स फेयर कॉपी पे करनी है
who was asking something.
मैम फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स फेयर कॉपी पे करनी है
Yes, beta, you have to do. This work is not given in your grammar books. So you
ओके
have
मैम
to do this in the fair, okay? So the first sentence, we'll write 5 sentences, then we'll discuss together. Then 5, then we'll discuss. Okay, 5, 5, 5. Now please note down only. Okay, first sentence. You dash, brush your teeth after every meal. dash you like to join me for a trip? So you dash brush your teeth after every meal. Second sentence is you dash work hard if you want to win. We dash not go for a picnic yesterday as it was raining. Dash you like to join me for a trip to Goa? And the last one, fifth one is dash I sit on the first bench, ma'am. Now let me ask you one by one. So Sarang will tell us first answer. Sarang.
Ma'am, should
Uh,
you should brush after every meal.
yes, exactly, beta. So next is Hargunpreet Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. What's your second answer?
You have to work hard.
You have to work hard if you want to win. Okay, must or have to, both are correct. You have to work hard or you must work hard. Well done, Hargun. So next one is Madhav. Madhav, number 3.
Ma'am,
We dash.
ma'am, we should not.
What did you say?
Ma'am, should not.
Beta, should is an advice and generally we say should जब किसी को कुछ फ्यूचर में करवाना होता है एडवाइस.
Ma'am, could.
Yes, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am, could.
We could not go for a picnic yesterday. So past में you have only could most of the time and used to. अब ये habit तो है नहीं. Then we are left with could only. And yes, would भी use होता है पर यहाँ पे would sense नहीं बना. So could is the answer. We could not go for a picnic as it was raining. Next, Harmeet, then Vaibhav.
Ma'am, would.
Would you like to join me? You are offering someone, you are giving offer to someone. So I told you, you have to use would.
Ma'am, may.
May, exactly. You are talking to your teacher. So you have to use the formal word that is may. You are not supposed to use can I sit on the first bench? No doubt 80% student use can, but you have to use may. Is it clear, everyone? Now please lower your hand. If you have any doubt in your mind, then you can ask me, then I'll write 6 to 10. If you have doubt, please raise your hand. Jasmine, any question? No?
No, ma'am.
Now 6 to 10. And have you noted down all? Okay. Write down the 6th sentence. My parents dash leave for Delhi tomorrow. It's a plan. My parents dash leave for Delhi tomorrow. Number 7. I dash take a holiday as I am tired. I dash take a holiday as I am tired. Number 8, that fruit is poisonous. Number 9, he dashed fly an aeroplane when he was in Air Force. When he was in Air Force. Don't worry. I dash find a solution for you. Please note down, then we'll discuss these 5 sentences, 6 to 10. Veronica, Shubh, one by one, please. 6 and 7.
Yes, ma'am. My parents will leave for Delhi.
May leave for Delhi tomorrow. Okay, that is a possibility. If you think that it's possible that they will go, it's fine. So otherwise, what is the other possibility? Vaibhav, Gaurish, Tarang, what is the other?
Ma'am, in my opinion, will is the best, is the appropriate possibility.
Okay, will is the most
Because
appropriate. Yes.
Ma'am, might.
Might leave for Delhi tomorrow. Okay, that is a weak possibility. Okay, so that is upon your perception. ये आपके ऊपर depend करता है. What are you feeling at that time? But if the plan is sure, then you will. If you think that there is a strong possibility कि वो सुबह जाएंगे, then may. Or might if you feel that there is a weak possibility. So will, may, might, all are correct. It depends on your perception, what you are thinking. Okay. Okay. Next is Veronica. Veronica, I dash take a holiday as I am tired.
I should take a holiday as I am tired.
You are giving advice to yourself. Okay, I should take a holiday as I am tired. Or will, I will take a holiday. Maybe you have planned it. You have just made a plan that I will take a holiday because I'm so tired. Okay. Next one is Chitesh. Chitesh, please tell us number 3, beta. That fruit is poisonous. You dash not eat it. But repeat it. You are not audible.
Cannot.
You cannot. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just
Ma'am, must. Ma'am, you must.
Must is the most appropriate one. Compulsory that you must not eat. Otherwise, you know what will happen.
Ma'am, 9th मैं बोलूं. Ma'am, 9th.
Yes, Jasmine. Number 9.
He used to fly an airplane when he was in Air Force.
Exactly. So Air Force, beta, Air Force, so many people do job in Air Force. Some do that administrative work, you know, office में. So, but he used to fly an aeroplane when he was in Air Force. That was the repeated action of the past, that is used to. So don't worry. This is a kind of promise. Promise याद है आप लोगों को? Just will. Jasveen and Devang, please. Anyone can unmute and speak.
I think will.
I-
Don't worry, I will find a solution.
Shall or will are both correct. जसमीन आपने क्या बोला था बेटा?
Ma'am, will.
Okay, will. Fine. So will or shall, because shall can be used with I. So you can write I shall help you. Yeah, sorry, I shall find a solution for you, or I will. That's a kind of promise. So you will use will or shall. Now 5 are left only. Let me see how much time we have. Okay, we have 5 minutes. Quickly, please write down last 5. Then that will be the end of your topic, models. And the correct pronunciation of this word is models only. It's not modals, okay? Models. So write down next one. So number 11. Number 11 is, I thought you dash like this. Wait. I thought you dash enter the room, warned the mother. Number 13, we dash play every Sunday when we were together. When we were together. Number 14, dash I bring some water for you, Ria. And the last one of this topic is, I have an extra. I have an extra pen. You buy. Yes, please. So I'm starting with Savya. Jiski turn nahi aayi, okay? Savya.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
I
Karthik, then Devang. Yes, please. One by one.
yes, yes, ma'am. I thought you would like this book, so I bought one for you.
Okay. Would is the past form of will, because thought is written. This is the past tense, so you can write would or might also. That was the guess of the person who's speaking the sentence. I thought you might like this book, so I bought one for you. So one thing is sure that thought है, this is the past form. You have to use the past model. So हमारे पास past form कौन से could? It doesn't suit here. Then we have used to, no, would and might. So would and might both are correct. Okay. So next one is, I think, Karthik, then Devang.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you dare not enter the room, warned the mother.
Exactly. Dare not is the kind of warning. So you
And
dare.
ma'am,
not-
I have a doubt.
Yes, Vita, ask me.
Ma'am, in 8th sentence, can we write dare?
In 8th sentence, that fruit
Ma'am,
is
the sentence is that fruit is poisonous. You dash not eat it.
Yes. It's a warning. In 8th, you can write dare because not is already written. Yes, you can write. Okay.
Okay. ma'am.
So next is Devang. Devang, please tell us the answer.
We used to play every Sunday when we were together.
Exactly. Well done. Next is Ipsa and Jasmine, one by one.
Yes, ma'am. May I bring some water for you, Ria?
Okay, may is formal, but it is correct because we can we can be polite with our friends also. And what is the other possibility, Ipsa? May is the formal.
Ma'am,
That is correct.
can.
Okay. I think can is the most appropriate because you are talking to your maybe younger one or your friend because Ria is written. So informal should be there. Or sometimes we also say, should I bring some water? Maybe hum use karte, but can is the most appropriate. Okay. So next one, Jasmine, I think so. Jasmine, please
I have an extra pen. You must buy one.
repeat it.
I have an extra pen. You must buy one.
बेटा आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा पेन है और उसको जरूरत नहीं है खरीदने की. It's not necessary.
Ma'am, can I?
Saksham and Samarth.
Yes, ma'am. You need not.
Yes. So Jasmine, बेटा you have extra pen. उसको जरूरत नहीं है खरीदने की. Okay. When something is not necessary. एक second बेटा. When something is not necessary, then you can use need not. I hope it is clear. So have you noted down? Please show me thumbs up or heart sign if you haven't noted down. Karthik, is there any question? And Jasmine.
No ma'am, question नहीं था मैम, वो thumbs up किया था बस कि done.
So heart sign please if you haven't noted down. If आपने नहीं note किया then please heart. I think Harmeet. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to start a new chapter. Okay. And this is the end of our grammar topic models. So I'll meet you tomorrow. Take care.